bathrooms are excellent. Now, normally I prefer a single tile throughout the bathroom, but this is how you pull off 2 tiles. This works here. I'm also normally not a fan of black taps and black fixtures. However, if your theme is black and white, which theirs is, this is great. The in-wall toilet system and the wall-mounted mixers is just another testament to their attention to detail. Upstairs is really cool. Plenty of natural light. They've got a pitch ceiling in the master upstairs. That's a feature. I also like the fact that they've done a round wall downstairs and upstairs, but they haven't gone crazy with it. They've just had it in 2 spots. It just adds to the aesthetic of the townhouse. Overall, really impressed by this townhouse and the overall direction in which these guys are going in.